Marbites and Homo sapiens, welcome back to the channel Planet Marbasia, and welcome back any new subscribers or watchers. So today I am going to be doing a updated skincare routine for you guys, or I'm just gonna tell you what I use. I'm not actually, I might throw in a few clips here and there, but I'm just gonna tell you what I kind of do for my skincare, and I'm also going to be doing a makeup look, an easy breezy cover girl, no I'm joking, an easy like makeup look for every day that I like to do. It's like, it's so simple. I've done a video on this previously, and I will show you here, and that is also updated, so I'll show you that in the video or videos, because this is going to be a little interactive video. So if you don't want to see the skincare and you want to see the makeup, then you just click. If not, then click. So what are you going to click? I don't know. Are you going to click skincare? Are you going to click makeup? I don't know. I'm still waiting to see what you're going to click.